Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. There's a question: how do I make intention for the prayer?
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Very simple. Intention is the resolve that precedes the action. So the basic intention you're considered to have, because it's inconceivable that someone would stand to pray except that they intended to pray. It's the resolve that precedes the actions. The sign of the intention is, if you were to be asked, what are you doing? Say, I'm praying. That's it. For the obligatory prayer, one specifies the particular obligatory prayer that one is performing. One is praying dhuhr or asr, or I'm praying the fard of the time, etc. That's all there is to the valid intention. Then one strives to magnify the intention, because the intention has three components: what you're doing, and it's almost inconceivable that you wouldn't know what you're doing, and why you're doing it, for the sake of Allah, and that's where we magnify our intentions. And finally, the time of the intention, which is before the action. And it's recommended to maintain one's intention throughout the action.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.